Hello and welcome to the next in our series of features of the Infinity laptops for St Mary's College. And today we're going to talk about this feature here. This is in most of the Office 365 documents. I have here a Microsoft Word document that I've just created. It's a blank document, and this little microphone means that I can talk to the Microsoft Word document and it will actually write down what I say. Now, before we start, it does have a little drop-down box here. It's always a good idea to sneak down and click on the English Australia button, and that way it listens for our Australian accent and not an American or a British accent. So if I click on this, it now listens for our Australian voices. To turn the feature on for it to start working, I simply click on the microphone and a red dot will turn up. Once the red dot is turned up, I can then start talking, and you can see that most of the time it will listen and correctly translate all of my speaking. Full stop. I can turn it off again just by clicking here. Full stop. And you'll notice that it puts in the punctuation marks if I say those punctuation marks. You might have noticed the red dot will turn up, and once the red dot is turned up, originally translated as daughters, and the computer thought about that and thought, well, that doesn't make much sense, so it then changed it to a more accurate wording. Let's try again, shall we? So you go over here and you click on the microphone, and once the red dot has turned up, then you can start speaking. I will give you an example, and we'll use punctuation marks as we go. Hello, comma. I'm here to tell you about the dictate function that works inside Microsoft Word. Full stop. New paragraph. As you can see, as long as we use the punctuation marks, it will generally follow along quite accurately and get most of what we say right. Full stop. I do, however, need to speak in a clear voice and in a relatively quiet environment. Full stop. Otherwise, comma, if there's someone else in the class yelling, it will also try and write down what they're saying as well as your voice. Full stop. And to turn it off, I just click on the red dot. Now I can add anything I want afterwards. Full stops. I think I missed a comma as long up here as well. So I can happily edit and modify anything I need without the dictate function, but the dictate function just makes life easier for us because we can talk to the computer and it will translate what we say into words.